Hello everyone, welcome back to Suku Studios. I am Sukanya and I am a street artist, animator and illustrator, and this is my YouTube channel where I share with you guys the behind process of all my artwork. So today what I thought of doing is making a street art outside, as I was really bored sitting at home and doing all my works inside indoor because of the COVID situation. So I came out to explore out, and this is my wall for today, and I am going to paint on this something which is related to love and Valentine's Day, maybe. So I saw this wall quite a lot of times while coming. This wall is situated in Warsaw, near the Warsaw metro station, and it is quite an interesting space I found to paint, and I always wanted to paint here. So the thing that I'm painting today is a illustration of the Queen of Hearts, the card queen, and I would like to share my views about conception that is going on from a long time because of adaptation and retelling of stories. And while I researched about the Queen of Hearts, I came to know about how her story got adopted and retold in such a way. Two of the very important characters of storytelling got merged together to form a character of Queen of Heart that we know today. So firstly, in order to discuss this, we'll have to discuss Alice in Wonderland and go back there because that is where the concept this concept was first started, and it was in his work of Lewis Carroll that the character got first developed and introduced. So the name of the book was Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, and as a playing card this character appeared. The character is of a wise and mature woman, where the maturity comes from the heart, and it's a self-developed and hard-working character, and it is blindly governed by aimless passion. So that is the main idea behind the Queen of Hearts character, and the character that we confuse her with is that of the one with the Red Queen. Both of them are two different characters. The Red Queen was also introduced by Lewis Carroll, but it was done differently in a different book. It was introduced in the book called The Looking Glass. Her character is completely different to that of the Queen of Hearts. So our Red Queen is a cold and calm character who is very strict and yet formal, and so the Red Queen, as we have seen her in the film also in 2020 Disney film live action, and in 1951 Alice in Wonderland, the filmmakers or Disney they merged these characters together to form one single character, and the entire idea of these two characters changed. So the idea behind Carroll's work was the world of nonsense, and a world which is built on a notion where logic doesn't work, the world of absurds. So Alice in Wonderland is one such stories, which is a literary nonsense, and after retailing the stories for over and over and in so many years, the characters have lost a few and gained a few characteristics over the years, and that is how storytelling is, and that is how adaptation works. I would like to talk a little more about the character of Alice. Her character developed from a real life character who was a 10-year-old girl, and the book was written for her, and it was written by Charles Ludwig Dodgson. His pen name was Lewis Carroll, and he was born in England, and he had dyslexia in his childhood, and had a quite different shy life. His writings were for children, yet his stories had a very dark undertone to it. If you read Alice in Wonderland, you can decode it to form many meanings out of the same story which is written for children. I found the character of the Red Queen very interesting whenever I read this book, and I always wanted to paint her out. So this time on Valentine's Day, this is the piece that I came up with. It took me 1 hour 20 minutes to get this done, and I have used acrylic aerosol spray paint from Flame Paint India to paint this. And if you are around Warsaw or in Bombay, do check out this painting, and let me know in the comment section below what you feel about this work, and do like, share and subscribe my videos. Have a great Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy it, and yeah, see you guys next week.